Bro, somebody's got a sound board. Bro's got a soundboard. Oh yeah, I'm playing that one up. Wait, where'd he go?
Well, it wasn't my fault. And when I got out of the menu, it flung me.
I don't know what happened.
So yeah, today
I have no idea.
playing the
But I
Omelette
muted
map.
him so I don't hear his shitty music anymore, so I'm chilling.
Yeah. If this ends up being too long, I might make a part 2, unfortunately. But, yeah.
Okay, nobody. Actually, Karen, do you want to wait for the others?
Okay, I made it.
Yeah,
Stop.
I'm getting too confident.
Yo, stop.
Taking it too
Oh,
fast, and I keep falling
and
from
he's
the
gone.
back. I just need to take it slow.
I'm not gone. So I think
So I'm not gonna take the flowers. I'm not gonna take the flowers.
I don't see him because of my big fat shit.
The flowers aren't even hard. I'm just doing it too fast.
My big buff.
I'm right here. You're good? No. Okay. Well, then these are hard if you do it too fast. Stupid.
Okay.
You know what? I'll put my music on.
Oh no. He's got the Doom music. Was it yours? Okay. People are meeting him. Oh, dude, I almost just fell because of my joystick. No. Bro? What the heck?
I made it.
Okay.
Press the window. Press the window. Press the window. Yo, pop at.
Oh, yo, what's up?
Hello.
Hello. I'm making a video right now, by the way.
Oh, cool. Like and subscribe.
Yeah!
I'll put a blicky on you, boy. If you can edit, you should edit that in. Super
Yeah.
worth it.
I will.
I failed so many times at this point.
For real, this
I
is
made it.
like the hardest part, and I have so much anxiety on this part.
But he did it.
I did it.
Press your Oculus button.
Oh my god.
There's a button.
I'm going to be a moderator today.
It's right above the clip.
Oh my god.
And I'm the moderator. I'm the pumpkin moderator.
Yeah, I see it.
His name
Did I just speedrun this or am I just bad?
Something like that.
In it. I'm stuck in it.
Yeah, click the big X button in the top right.
Let's go. Okay.
Alright, what is it? What's
It's
his
a
name?
tag, and it's got Cappy in it. His name is K-A-P-Y.
What's your name? Wait, what's your name?
It's blurb.
Okay.
Bro, you should.
Okay. Stage 2.
I didn't notice I didn't jump.
You're on the Twin Towers,
Bro, I hate this part.
Oh my god.
No. No way. Okay. Heck yeah. I'm going to the top to jump to there.
Another mushroom.
I'm going to do my skibbity pointer jump.
Oh my god.
Skibbity!
Oh, dude. That could have cost you the
Now
speed
I'm
run,
trying to
bro.
fly here.
I see you.
Now I'm up in the big green.
Bro, I'm speed running.
I never went that far before.
Dude, you're so far behind me. What? It's
Bro,
been
I'm
like a
still on
minute.
the
I made it to clouds.
Alright, now
I made it to the crystal part and then I fell.
Alright.
For real, I hate that crystal part.
That crystal part is so bad, bro.
It's like so hard. It's like almost impossible. Like I fall in every single time.
I did it in one go. I never failed in this slide.
I'm on stage
I actually
3 of the
did it
desert.
in one go. Don't die in this lobby, bro. Don't die.
Whoa, I almost jumped on the fake bush. Okay, well, I fell off the fake
Bro.
bush. And
This is my favorite part.
That was a good run. Now I gotta restart.
Yo, Top Hat. Top
Yeah.
Hat. Do you know the way for the slide? Do you know the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm speed running this, but I'm going as fast.
Okay, good. What way? Tell me.
Hold on.
I also know the way. I also know the way.
Yeah, you have to go on the top.
Yeah, up. You need to go up.
But the crazy part is, the first time I went on the slide, I immediately went for the top and I guessed it right.
Lol. Okay, let me check how much percent I have. 44, not
Now you
bad.
gonna tell me thank you, bro? I told you what? Problem.
Thank you so much. Ooh.
Why does this
Oh
look
my
like a
God.
lowercase
Okay.
j?
I don't know.
This is hard.
Bye.
Dude, this is not difficult at all.
No. Dude, the blue
Nuts.
red mushroom is hard.
Oh,
Is
yeah, the 2 mushrooms are on.
It's
it.
coming.
A little bit more difficult
Okay, I made it.
than I would've
Well, how did you get on the red mushroom though? How did you get on
I hate this crystal part.
For
I
real.
hate this crystal part.
I might fall, bro. Just so you know.
I'll be back in a second. I'll just show you how to do it.
Oh wait, what? No, I fell.
Damn,
Bye.
I'm used to playing on Quest, bro. You're not playing PC.
No.
No, I hate that part
Quest doesn't
so
have, like, you don't
much.
stick as easily on Quest.
Ellie. I also Bagley.
Is he falling? Is that him? That's him. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. No.
Okay, where are you on the mushrooms? I'm almost there.
I also hell no. I speedrun that in one try. One fucking try. I speedrun it up there. Oh my god.
I see the end, dog. I see the
Bro, like.
Me personally, I only fell apart from at the end. I only fell once, and it was at the end.
Yo, lava monkey. Yo, lava monkey. At the statue. There's one lava monkey. Lava monkey at the statue. Yeah, he's just ignoring us. Anyways, let's go home.
Oh no. No. Wait, what? How did you tag me so far away?
Wait, tag me.
Uh oh. Oh no. No. Bro, you can't run away from the Doom music.
Over here's where it's scary. Take the easy route, okay? Take the
Yeah.
easy route. Don't take the ice. Ice is difficult.
So where do I go?
Right here.
I'm not sure someone said that. I'm so horrible at vertical jumps, bro.
Keep playing the sounds. Fucking suck.
Yo, just for you that I'm good at this game, I'm going to take the flower away. I'm going to take the flower away just for fun.
Careful. This bush,
I hate being a lava monkey and doing this because
Hey, monkey playing the sounds.
oh my
What's up?
god, dude, I jumped too far. I jumped too far.
No! No!
are you
I
serious?
jumped too far, bro.
Bro, you didn't need to. I said I'm going to do it, not you.
I'll be be
Calm
back in a
down.
second.
How did
Thought you
tag
could
me?
run away
How
from
did
me.
you tag me right
Oh
here?
my goodness,
You were
bro.
right here.
Oh, I see the bush. You forgot to
Yeah, be careful. You
Coming
can
for
skip
you.
the bush. You can just jump straight to the cactus.
Oh my
I tried to do that, but I overshot.
Oh, let's go.
You just jump.
Oh, so y'all are
You just jump over the
Landed on the beach
cactus.
tree. I just landed on
Lucky I tried to land on something, but I couldn't, bro.
Oh,
Hey,
black.
Red,
Yo, top pad.
Yeah.
do it together?
Top pad. I
Oh my god.
the hard way and I successfully did it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, sick. I'll be
Oh,
back.
pumpkin hat, come on. Let's wait for pumpkin hat. Let's do it together.
Wait, cowboy hat, wait for me.
I'll be back in a second.
Pumpkin hat, come on. We're up here.
You said you would be back in a sec. That was a far record right there,
Yo,
dog.
Come on,
Top pad.
Oh.
Oh.
I ain't gonna see after
Can you
this.
leave me
Oh.
alone?
Alright, come on, guys.
Can you just leave me
Bro.
alone?
Can you get on this wall?
I'm really good. I tried doing the
Oh,
right, I
that
fell.
was a poor jump, bro.
Get away from me, bro.
Hey, don't speak to me like that. Don't speak to me like that.
Oh, such a
You
poor
shouldn't
jump.
talk to
Alright, well, I'm gonna end
like
this
that,
here.
bro.
Because this is gonna take me like 5 hours to get to the top, probably. So,
Yeah, bro, yeah. Yeah, you did that absolutely cool.
with no further ado,
Congratulations.
please make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Congratulations.
And if you don't, soundboard guy,
Where's the cowboy?
Come in.
No.
You're not leaving without me. I jumped down.
I'm ending the video.
Come on, guys.
I juked him.
You gotta come on.
Ah!
I'm at the tent. I'm at the
Why?
Okay, what will happen if they don't subscribe?
You're in the tent? Okay.
I'll come to their house. You're getting to their family. Going to tell them that I killed their family. They're going to say, "Please don't. I have a family." And then I'm going to say, "Bitch, I just murdered your entire family." Then I'm going to still kill them, and then I'm going to meet them in hell.
What if they don't like?
There's purple. Well, there's the.
They're just going to die.
No, that's the
Well, you heard it.
fake one.
Do it.
Yeah, that's
Or
the real
else.
one. That
Oh, wait,
Just
what?
do it. I'm coming after your family. I'm coming after you. I'm coming after your family.
Goodbye, guys.